doing a good job, Hava. Good job. Do you like pears, Chelsea? Here, wait for a sec. Let's see if she likes pears. Do you like pears? Oh, slow down. That's good. Wait, hang on. Wait one sec, Hava. Oh, I think she wants more. There we go.
Then she wants more.
Yeah, I think that's plenty. This is her second helping.
Chelsea.